The creation of new animals. Through science has revolutionized the creation of new animals through advanced techniques in genetic engineering and synthetic biology. These innovations have profound implications for medicine, agriculture, and environmental management. Key techniques. 1. Genetic engineering. Techniques like CRISPR-Cas9 allow precise edits to the genome, enabling the creation of animals with specific traits, such as disease resistance or enhanced productivity. 2. Cloning. Producing genetically identical copies of organisms to preserve or replicate desirable traits. 3. Synthetic biology. Designing and constructing new biological parts and systems, potentially creating organisms with novel functions. Examples of new animals. 1. Glow-in-the-dark rabbits. By inserting a jellyfish gene into rabbits, scientists created rabbits that glow under UV light. 2. Aquadvantage salmon. Genetically modified salmon grow faster than normal, aiding in food security and reducing pressure on wild fish populations. 3. EnviroPigs. Pigs engineered to produce less phosphorus in their manure, reducing environmental pollution. That's all for today, Fox. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and click on the bell icon to get notified when we post new updates.